Have you ever dreamed of making money online? Picture this, a world where you're the master of your time, your space, and your income. The internet, this colossal network of opportunities, holds the potential of turning your dreams into reality. You're not alone in this quest. Thousands have embarked on this journey, transforming their lives from zero to hero, all thanks to the online world. If yes, then stay tuned because this video will guide you through the process, step by step. The journey to making money online is not as complicated as you might think. It's akin to embarking on a voyage of discovery, where the treasure trove is not a chest of gold, but the wealth of opportunities the digital world has to offer. The basic requisites are quite simple: a computer, an internet connection, and a strong will to learn and adapt. The computer is your ship, the internet your uncharted sea, and your will, the compass guiding you through the rough and calm alike. Whether you're a wordsmith, a number cruncher, or a coding wizard, the online world has a place for you. It's a realm where skills and interests find their true value, and passion meets profitability. The journey may be daunting and the sea tumultuous at times, but remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Now you might be wondering, what's next? Let's dive in. The first step towards making money online is identifying your skill or interest. It's crucial to find something you're passionate about, or perhaps something you're already good at. Why? Because when you love what you do, it's not just about earning money. It becomes a journey, an adventure, a mission. Consider these examples. If you have a way with words, why not try your hand at content writing or blogging? Got an eye for design? Graphic designing could be your calling. If coding is your forte, programming or web development could be your ticket to online success. But it's not just about traditional skills. Are you a fitness enthusiast? You could create workout plans or coach people online. Love cooking? Start a recipe blog or a cooking channel. The possibilities are endless. Your skills and interests are unique to you. They are your most valuable assets in your journey to making money online. Remember, the key to success is to do something you love. Once you've identified your area of interest, it's time to build your online presence. Think of it as constructing a digital house where potential clients can drop by, see your work, and get a feel for who you are. Start by creating a professional profile on relevant platforms. This could be a personal website, a blog, or even a profile on freelancing platforms. Now, remember, your profile isn't just a place to list your skills and qualifications. It's also your personal stage to showcase your portfolio. Use it to display your best work, the projects you're most proud of. Next, leverage the power of social media. Social media is not just for sharing cat videos or food photos. It's a potent tool to attract potential clients. Share your work, engage in relevant conversations, and network with industry professionals. Remember, your online presence is your business card in the digital world. Now that you've built your online presence, it's time to find work and deliver quality. There's a plethora of platforms out there, teeming with opportunities. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are bustling with potential clients. You can also venture into the dynamic realm of social media marketing or dip your toes into the vast sea of blogging and content creation. Applying for jobs is an art in itself. Keep your proposals succinct yet impactful. Highlight your skills, your passion, and your commitment to deliver top-notch results. It's not about landing 100 jobs, it's about landing the right ones. But remember, the journey doesn't end with securing a job, it's just the beginning. Delivering quality work is paramount. It's what distinguishes the ordinary from the extraordinary. Your reputation is built on the quality of your work, and a strong reputation leads to more opportunities. Remember, consistency and quality are the keys to long-term success in the online world. So you see, making money online is not a myth. It's a reality for many. We've journeyed through the process from identifying your skill or interest to building your online presence and finally finding work and delivering quality. Each step is crucial in the path to online prosperity. It's not just a dream, it's a journey of transformation. From zero to hero, don't let the opportunity slip by. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today.